Wow, look at that, guys. It's a pile of black muddy toys. Wow, so many kind of toys. Let's check it out, guys. What it out? So muddy. Let's collect them, guys, and then we clean them up. Wow, so many kind of toys. Robot trucks. Oh, so cool, guys. Okay, keep collecting. Almost done, guys. Okay, the last one. Let's go. Let's clean them up. Alright, the first one, guys. Wow, it's a gas fuel truck, guys. Wow, so cool. What's the next one? Wow, it's a garbage truck. Wow, so cool. What's the next one, guys? Really, it's a cement mixer truck, guys. Wow, it's big. Oh, next one, guys. Wadidaw, it's Tamiya Car, guys. Wow, Tamiya in real life. What's the next one, guys? Weedy, it's a yellow helicopter, guys. Wow, so cool, guys. Wow, what kind of truck is this? Wadidaw, it's a fire truck, guys. Wee, so cool. Wow, what is this? Wadidaw, it's Ultraman, guys. Wow, he can change color. Wow, it's a robot rescue box. Wee, it's Chase the rescue bots, guys. Wow, it's a police. Wait, another robot, guys. Wadidaw, Optimus Prime, guys. Wow, incredible transformation. What's the next one? Wadidaw, it's a blue monster truck.
Combination. Pablo's first time in this truck in the Monster Jam.
Wow, so cool. Wow, what's the next one, guys? Wee, it's Lightning McQueen. Wadidaw, so cool. Next. Wadidaw, it's Toby, guys.
Fearful Toby may be old, but he's still really useful.
Wow, it's a cool train. Wow, what is that? Wow, it's a red Motorsport.
No, Rocky. Same move again. Going to make it one more time up turn 5 and goes through, but will Stoner have the...
Wadidaw, cool. Wow, what's the next one? Weedy, it's an orange monster truck. Wow, incredible. Wow, the last one is a fish. Wow, it's a shark.
Shark.
Wow, so cool. Alright guys, that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment guys. See you on the next video. Bye.